Hi folks. Well, I say, well. This is definitely not fake news. You are invited to subscribe to Eduardo's YouTube channel. He's a friend, you know. Find stuff that will help you teach differently. He's so crazy about Moodle that keeps dealing with how to use the learning environment to teach differently. And yet there's more than that on his channel. Do subscribe.
I have just subscribed to the channel. There is a lot of stuff that deals with teaching differently. Join. See you on Eduardo's YouTube channel. Goodbye.